always do an initial walkthrough.
We got some broken wires that go to something.
Potentially important. I don't know how easily you'd be able to film and spray starting fluid.
Yeah, no fuel.
Get me missing that hole. Alright. You ready?
Let's see.
Get a shot of how good you gotta get that key rolled.
Let's see how I can see the multimeter.
Yep. So there's 11 volts there. 11.1 to the pump. Visually looks right. This is our initial visuals here. Also, I think I'm gonna get rid of this weird cage thing. Because it makes life getting this in so much harder. And then we'll know that there's just something wiring. And then honestly, we can just probably rewire the pump completely. Woo! Pump works. Seems like it's not that good of a connection.
Yeah. That's kicking it on though.
It is. So now, let me see.
There could be a problem with the harness for the pump.
I think so. Maybe this plug's messed up. I think I'm gonna snip these and see. Something's gotta be messed up, I think, in this. I wanna try, I'm gonna snip them up here. I think there's something wrong here. You can kind of see how the solder's not touching the actual thing.
You think you just got a bad solder joint?
I think it's worth a shot.
Is that plastic? Is that just like popping off? Or do you have to actually like cut it off?
It might just pop off.
Is it all corroded?
I think so. I wonder if we can clean these up and fill them with solder. What do you think?
I mean, it's probably worth a shot.
And then hot glue.
How corroded are the bottoms of those little cap things?
Let's see, the cap parts popped off. I mean, I can scuff them up.
I mean, these things, are these like super corroded? No, they don't look bad. There might be a little bit of corrosion on the tip.
I think what I might do is just put 2 new wires, flow a bunch of solder.
That'll work.
And then hot glue them.
Custom.
Because these look pretty good. So I might be able to just stick a wire in, heat around it. Yeah, we'll try it. bigger the glob, the better the job.
Oh yeah.
Drink up.
And that's how you fill your tank.
For all you rookies out there. Be sure to pour it right where the pump's gonna be.
Yeah, you don't fill it through the filler cap.
No, nobody's got time for that.
That's where chumps fill their tanks.
Ooh, you know what we should do? Key the car off. That'll prevent fire. Oh yeah, baby, just get in. Oh my god, that made life so much easier.
Yeah, now we got gas coming out.
Tell me when to stop.
It's already stopped.
Oh, it already stopped?
Yeah, there was just like a little bit that came out.
Oh, it must just be driving.
Yeah,
I can see that driving.
there's more.
Is it coming out pretty dirty?
It's pretty dark, yeah.
That's a Guinness right there. Dude, that is black.
You can hear the fuel. Ready? Okay.